Hi guys, we're back again at Puxton and Worle level crossing in Somerset South level crossing, okay? Oh, not another hand, man. Not another hand, man. Oh, never mind. Pick it up. Do we have to do another Hamas again? Probably not. By the time it is 12:84 on Tuesday, the 2nd of September 2024, your truck again. Where was Yatton? Oh no. Well, I can hear something. Oh, it's just a plane. And also, we got a misuse from that magpie. I think he's gonna get squished by the train in a minute. Well, misuse with that magpie thing over there, which is from the Puxton, which I don't have a clue. Whoa, why is taking so ages? Come on.
I think so.
Yeah, it's coming this way. Face ready. We've got. I know it's a cross country one. I don't know. 800-313. 800-313 Jackson. And what we got?
You made me laugh. You really.
I didn't make you laugh.
You're like,
Oh my god.
He's gonna get squished.
Well, I was against squished, did I? Anyways, thanks guys. I shall see you in next time's videos.